how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Snapchat app right here. And then once we open our Snapchat app, the first thing that we can do to save our photo is, let's say for example that you took a photo right here on the main screen. So just click the shutter button right here. And then after that, you will now be able to see the save button right here on the bottom left corner of the screen. So all you have to do is to click the save button right here. And then you have two options, which is save to memories or save to memories and camera roll. So just choose the one that you prefer. So let's say for example that we would like to use this one. So just click that one right there. And then once you do that, your photos will now be automatically saved into your gallery. Now, the second option that we can do is to go back right here on the main screen again, and then on the upper left corner of the screen, just click your profile icon, which is right here. After that, on the upper right corner of the screen, just click the gear icon in this part, and then click the search icon. After that, search for memories, and then just click this one right here. Under the save destinations, we have here the save button and then autosave my story snaps. Just click the save button right here. So we have three options, which is the memories and camera roll, and then the camera roll only. So just choose the one that you would like to use right here. So let's say for example that we would like to use this. So just click that one right there. So every time that you save a photo, it will now be automatically saved into your memories and camera roll. Now, the second one is autosave my story snaps. So once you click that, make sure that you autosave to memories right here so that every time you post a story, it will now be automatically added into your memory. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery.